Welcome to the exciting world of Malibu Boats, where dreams take shape on water. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore the exceptional quality, performance, and comfort that define the Malibu Boats lineup. Founded in 1982 in Merced, California, Malibu Boats has risen to prominence as a leading American manufacturer of recreational boats. Globally recognized as the pioneer in crafting watersport towboats, these vessels find application in recreational use, water skiing, and wakeboarding events. Malibu has become the go-to brand for aquatic enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and innovative designs. From high-performance marvels to budget-friendly options, we'll delve into how these legendary vessels cater to professionals and families alike. Stay tuned to discover the excitement and luxury that await you in the open waters with Malibu Boats. Welcome to Harbour Masters, your regular dose of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. At number 5, we introduce the Malibu 21 LX. Equipped with the Malibu-built Monsoon M5DI as its standard power plant, this beauty boasts 360 horsepower, allowing you to reach speeds just beyond 35 knots or 40 miles per hour. For those seeking even more power, the Monsoon M6DI option revs up to 430 horsepower, ensuring an exhilarating experience on the water. Measuring 21 feet in length, or 6.40 meters, and 98 inches wide, or 2.49 meters, it carries a weight of over 4,580 pounds, or 2,077 kilograms, and offers a fuel capacity of approximately 50 gallons, or 189 liters. With the ability to comfortably seat up to 12 passengers, the 21 LX provides a spacious and elegant experience for all. The Malibu 21 LX inherits its top-tier performance from its renowned lineage. Its hybrid bow design, inspired by pickle fork shaping, not only adds a distinctive touch, but also offers abundant forward seating, catering to a variety of water sports and activities. The integrated 12-inch touchscreen Malibu Command Center simplifies operations with preset adjustments, complemented by features like the Power Wedge 3 and Surf Gate for tailored wakes. The G5 Tower enhances functionality with features like board racks and a deployable bimini shade. Inside, you'll find luxurious comfort and ample storage, making it the ideal vessel for those who seek both performance and comfort. The Malibu 21 LX is available at a starting price of approximately $175,000 US. The Malibu M220 secures the 4th spot on our list. It comes equipped with a groundbreaking Malibu Monsoon M6DI direct injection engine, renowned for its leadership in cleanliness, quietness, reliability, fuel efficiency, and sheer power. The M6DI engine offers a range of power options from 360 to an impressive 607 horsepower and 400 to 606 pound-feet of torque respectively, ensuring outstanding performance on the water. With a generous fuel capacity of 79 gallons or 299 liters, you can embark on extended adventures without worry. The sports tow vehicle measures over 23 feet or 6.83 meters in length and spans 102 inches or 2.59 meters in width, comfortably accommodating up to 15 people. A quick glance at the Malibu M220 reveals its distinctive M-Series profile, characterized by a tall freeboard that not only accommodates extra passengers, but also allows for additional ballast, increased storage, and a more spacious on-water area. Certified with a fiberglass hull under CE Class C, the M220 is versatile, suitable for coastal and inland waterways. If you're ready to experience the pinnacle of watersport excellence, the starting price for a new Malibu M220 is approximately $240,000. The Malibu 25 LSV, perfectly blending luxury and performance, secures the third position on our list. Engine options for this vessel range from 430 to an impressive 607 horsepower, ensuring remarkable propulsion for thrilling adventures on the water. Measuring 25 feet or 7.62 meters in length and spanning 102 inches or 2.59 meters in width, it boasts a weight of approximately 6,175 pounds or 2,801 kilograms and a substantial fuel capacity of around 103 gallons or 390 liters. Designed to comfortably accommodate up to 18 passengers, the Wakesetter 25 LSV offers both exceptional performance and luxurious comfort. The Malibu Wakesetter 25 LSV features the multi-view wake bench seat, providing prime rear-facing viewing, while its G5 tower includes an elevated tow point and effortless folding for added convenience. For those moments of relaxation during sandbar outings, the convertible transom seat loungers offer the perfect spot. Enhanced with Surfgate and PowerBedge 3, this boat crafts immaculate wake surf waves and customizable wakeboard wakes, ensuring an unforgettable experience for every water sports enthusiast. Whether you have a large crew or prefer a more intimate outing, the Malibu Wakesetter 25 LSV caters to all needs, with a starting price of approximately $260,000. Claiming the second position is the Malibu Wakesetter 26 LSV, a remarkable addition to the luxury sport V-Drive series and the largest craft ever produced by Malibu. This extraordinary vessel offers an array of features, including comfortable transom seats, the innovative Max Pivot seat, and convenient portside cooler storage, inviting relaxation after a swim or a sunset cruise. Spanning over 26.5 feet in length, or 8.05 meters, and 102 inches in width, or 2.59 meters, it comfortably accommodates up to 18 passengers and surpasses 7,000 pounds in weight, or 3,175 kilograms, boasting a substantial fuel capacity of around 115 gallons, or 435 liters. Loaded with over 6,000 pounds of ballast and enhanced customization through Surfgate and PowerBedge 3, the 26 LSV creates expansive room for play, offering impeccable waves on both sides for water sports enthusiasts. With advanced technology, an expansive, updated interior, and unmatched wake and wave prowess, the 26 LSV delivers an unparalleled on-water adventure. It promises an experience unlike any other, with a starting price of approximately $340,000. If we made it this far, we totally appreciate your time and wish to bring you more informative content in the future. Support us on this mission by visiting the link on screen or clicking the link in the description box. Taking the coveted top spot, we introduce the Malibu M240, acclaimed as the pinnacle of performance and luxury from Malibu's lineup. This powerhouse of a powerboat is propelled by a supercharged 6.2-liter LT4 engine, delivering an astounding 607 horsepower and 606 pound-feet of torque, promising an unrivaled on-water experience. With a generous fuel capacity of approximately 86 gallons or 326 liters, the M240 accommodates up to 17 individuals, and its shallow draft of just 0.81 meters allows for versatile exploration. Measuring over 24 feet or 7.32 meters in length and spanning over 102 inches or 2.59 meters in width, this vessel achieves an impressive top speed of 43 knots or 49.5 miles per hour, offering a thrilling blend of speed, style, and capacity for unforgettable water adventures. The Malibu M240 features a premium slide-out cooler, the formidable GX tower, the versatile multi-view bench seat, and convenient wireless chargers, just to name a few highlights. But the innovations don't end there. With cutting-edge features like the lightning-fast Malibu Launch System 6 ballast, which fills in under 3 minutes, and the seamless integration of Surfgate Fusion into the M-Line hull, the M240 opens the door to an aquatic experience beyond imagination by giving you better control and handling at high speeds. The starting price for the latest Malibu M240 powerboat is now approximately $350,000. Now that we've unveiled these remarkable Malibu boats, where do you envision your next aquatic adventure? Which models caught your eye? And what features or experiences matter most to you when it comes to water sports and leisure on these legendary vessels? Share your thoughts, preferences, and insights with us in the comment section below. And while you're here, be sure to share this video with your fellow boating enthusiasts and friends. Let's make waves together! And as always, smooth sailing!